Question number 5 asks us to simplify the following combination. We have a sum here, two things being added together, and then we have one subtraction. The first thing I'm going to do is notice that for the two addition problems here, these two things being added together, I don't really need the parentheses here. And then the second thing I'll do is distribute this -1 to all these terms. So the first thing, I'm just going to rewrite polynomial number 1 and 2 without the parentheses, just to get things a little bit cleaner. Plus 3x minus 5, and since this is a positive 1 as my coefficient out front, nothing changes here. Negative x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. Okay, then I need to distribute this negative to all the terms inside that third polynomial. Okay, so that -1 times all those terms just changes all of the signs. So we'll have negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay, now we just have a huge polynomial that's all jumbled up that we just need to get all the terms in order and combine any like terms that we see. So I'm going to start with the highest term. The highest term I see is this x cubed here. It's a negative x cubed. So that's going to be the only cube in here. So that means that my first term in my simplified polynomial will just be that negative x cubed. And since we have so many polynomials going on at once, it's really important to cross them off as you deal with them. Next thing I'll look for is squares. So I'll just underline all of the squares that I see. I have 2x squared minus 3x squared minus x squared. 2x squared minus 3x squared is negative x squared minus another x squared would be negative 2x squared. And I'll cross off all of those squares now that I've dealt with them. I've got x terms here. I'll underline all the terms with an x. I have 3x plus 2x plus 7. Excuse me, I got ahead of myself. 3x plus 2x plus 2x, that's 5x plus 2x, which is 7x, and then I'll cross those off. Okay, and then we have -5, +5. Well, those will cancel straight away. That just becomes 0. And then my last term that I have is a +3. Now that I've crossed everything off and dealt with everything, this is the simplified polynomial.